These miniature fruit videos are trending right now all across social media, and this page has gained 241,000 followers just by posting this exact style of content. And I got genuinely shocked when I saw that one of their miniature videos reached 123 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes.
Get clear of the crusher! Everybody move!
I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. So first, open the master prompt. The link is in the description below. Now copy prompt 1, which asks ChatGPT for viral concept ideas, and paste it in. Hit enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will provide you a list of viral miniature ideas to choose from. Now pick the one that makes people stop mid-scroll. I am going with coconut oil refinery. It is visual, satisfying, and exactly the type of content that performs incredibly well. Now copy prompt 2, paste it here, and at the very end of the prompt, just write your idea number. For me, coconut is idea number 5. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly provide you 4 realistic cinematic image prompts for the scenes. Now copy prompt 3 and paste it in. This will generate the proper video prompts for every scene too. Now everything you need to create your miniature video is sitting right here in one place. Copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Choose the image option and make sure your desired settings are turned on. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In seconds, your images will be generated right inside your workflow. Now choose the image you like the most. Click on it. Click the 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt. This image will now work as a visual reference for the second scene, keeping the style, the lighting, and the atmosphere perfectly consistent throughout your entire video. Copy image prompt 2 and paste it here. Repeat the exact same process until all of your images are done. Now, let's turn these images into cinematic videos. Click on the first image, click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Make sure your desired video settings and model are turned on. Copy video prompt 1 from ChatGPT and paste it in. In just a few seconds, your first video scene will be ready right here inside Google Flow. Now repeat the exact same process for every remaining image until all of your scenes are converted into videos. Take your time with each one and make sure the video prompt matches the correct scene. This is what makes the final result flow naturally from beginning to end. Now, open your video editor and bring all your clips and cinematic music onto the timeline. Combine all the clips in sequence and remove any unwanted parts from the scenes. Add slow motion to key moments to give everything that cinematic, satisfying feel that makes people watch till the very end and then replay it. Select all clips, scale up slightly to hide the VIA watermark, and hit export. Miniature fruit video is completely ready to go viral. 123 million views from a miniature AI video made in under 5 minutes with completely free tools. The master prompt link is in the description waiting for you right now. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.